The on-the-go scrapbooking workshop comes with everything you need to create 4 two-page layouts. It also not only includes the paper and a cutting guide for the paper, but also the embellishments and the pre-cut die-cut pieces ready for you to use. So let's take a look at the layouts quickly here. So this first layout, Adventure Awaits, and it has a flip-flap on this side and a flip-flap on this side, also included in your workshop kit. And the next layout, and I should say it also includes the Cricut cuts already done for you. So this next layout is Ticket to Fun, and you've got a flip-flap on this side. Oops, let's bring this down so you can see a flip-flap on that side, and no flip-flap over here. This next layout is Fun and Games Laugh Often, perfect for those family game nights, or I mean, we used to laugh like crazy till you're crying. This side has a flip-flap as well. And finally, Timeout for Fun, again, for whatever fun is to you, four-wheeling or game night or poker, whatever, whatever your fun time is. Flip-flap over here for more photos. So there you have it, on the Go Scrapbooking Kit. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.